Once you have selected your template, the builder will ask you to give a name to the application. These data are modifiable and you can alter them at any time. The first thing you will find, Healthy Life template, will be the screen corresponding to modules, which, depending on the selected template, will have a larger or smaller extension, showing all the added modules. The modules screen is one of the most important places of the builder, since from here we will manage all the modules and the way in which they relate to each other. For example, the current module screen tells us that it contains a polymer type menu called Healthy Life and a series of normal modules and container type inside. You may find it complex. Don't worry if you don't understand it yet. We'll treat it little by little. As we indicated in the previous chapter, a module is each of the pieces that make up the application. These are the elements that provide some kind of functionality to the user and with which he is able to interact. In this screen, we can add or remove any module according to our needs. To remove a module, click on the icon of the bin and confirm its selection. It's that simple. Each module has a specific personalization and editing characteristics. To edit its parameters, click on this button and access the editor of the module. Many of them take their contents from external sources, so you will have to load them there to be able to show them in your app. In next chapters, we will edit several of them so that you can understand how they work. We return to the previous window. To add a module, click on this button, Add Module, where we will access the complete marketplace. At the moment, King of App has more than 200 modules, although this list is in permanent growth. The marketplace shows us the complete list of available modules, allowing us to organize them by publication date, popularity, valuation, and price, among others. This is a screen very similar to the template selection screen. At the top, we have a search engine in which we can enter a word in order to appear a specific module, for example, YouTube. Indeed, when doing this search, it will appear modules that include the name of the video platform, either in its title or in its description. To know more information about the module you are about to add, you can move the mouse over its icon, obtaining a brief description of it. You can also click on it to access its card and obtain more detailed information. We can add as many modules as our app needs. Each one of them will appear in the Modules window. It is necessary to indicate which menu module is a particular element, since it is used to vertebrate the rest of the modules. It will serve as an anchor between the rest of the elements that you have added, allowing the user to navigate through the app. Another type of special modules are the so-called container type, whose special functionality will allow you to add some modules within others, with the advantage of being able to show on screen as many as modules have been introduced. The use of container modules and the nesting of menus and modules will make the navigation within your app more complex, so we will explain how it works in more advanced courses. The modules library doesn't stop growing thanks to developers who try to incorporate their services in King of App. Feel free to check back periodically for updates.